this video we're going to calculate time using the time, distance, speed triangle. So first thing we do is we write out the information we've got. So the distance is 13.5 miles. The speed is 3 miles an hour. And the time is what we need to calculate. So we cover up the one we want, and then it gives us our formula. So time is distance over speed. Substitute in the values that we've got. So we've got 13.5 over 3. Give myself a little bit more room. Put that into my calculator. So 13.5 divided by 3 is 4.5. Now, as we have hours in our speed units, our answer is in hours. So it's 4.5 hours, or 4 hours 30